Hi guys, so again I am back. So in last videos I have explained the chapter and I told that I will give you the word and so that you can find out their meaning from the dictionary, and it is related from the chapter Ball on the Beach. So let's take a short look like a summary of the chapter. What the chapter was there is a one boy whose name is Sanjay, and he was lonely. He was alone. He don't have any friends and nobody interested with him to and play with him, and in fact nobody has allowed him to play with them a cricket. Then after he feel very bad, and all people are thinking that Sanjay is a very bad, and then after that he become very sad and he went to the beach, and then he saw that any sound is coming, and he think that, and he feel that something has just hit him on the chest, and then he just saw that he just cast a one ball who's a cricket ball, and then after he saw that someone is coming running him, and then that was on that don't know that, because that boy he don't know the Sanjay, and then after the boy said that well done, you have cast the ball, and then Sanjay said that thank you. Then that boy has offered him that would you like to play a game with us, because we have a team and we need a good player, so can you play with us? Then Sanjay said okay, I will play with you with your team. And then after the game over, and then again boy, the unknown person who's offered him to play the game cricket again, who came and he talked to Sanjay that, and he introduced himself that I am Manish, and we all are playing on the beach every Saturday, so if you want to play then you can also join us. Then Sanjay said okay, I am Sanjay, and yeah, of course I would like to play with you a cricket because I don't have any friends, and I feel happy that you will become my friend and I will play with you. Then from that time Sanjay was not become a lone person. From that time he has a lots of friends, and all people think that he was a good in a cricket. So yeah, only that much chapter I told that I will give you the word related from this chapter. So let's start, and please write down these all word meaning in good handwriting. So let's start. Your first word. Then your first word is lonely. Write down the spelling. L as in lion, O as in orange, N as in nose, E as in eraser, L as in lion, and Y as in yellow. So your word comes like LONELY, lonely. Next word is beach. Write down the spelling. B as in ball, E as in ear, A as in apple, C as in cat, and H as in horse. So your word comes like BEACH, beach. Next word is wave. Write down the spelling. W as in white, A as in apple, V as in van, E as in ear. So your word comes like WAVE, wave. Next word is shout. Write down the spelling. S as in sun, H as in horse, O as in ox, U as an umbrella, and T as in tiger. So your word comes like SHOUT, shout. Next word is thumb. Write down the spelling. T as in tomato, H as in horse, U as in unicorn, M as in mango, and P as in potato. So your word comes like THUMP, thumb. Next word is lift. Write down the spelling. L as in leopard, I as in ice cream, F as in fan, and T as in tiger. So your word comes like LIFT, lift. Next word is hold. Write down the spelling. H as in horse, O as in orange, L as in lion, and D as in dog. So your word comes like HOLD, hold. Next word is really. Write down the spelling. R as in rose, E as in ear, A as in apple, L as in lion, again L as in leopard, and Y as in yellow. So your word comes like REALLY, really. And your last word is game. Write down the spelling. G as in girl, A as in apple, M as in mango, and E as in ear. So your word comes like GAME, game. So that much word is there, and you have to find out their meaning from the dictionary and write down it in your literature copy. And again I am repeating, it should be in dark and legible handwriting. So, and in fact word meaning is also there, and I will give you the question answer objective types related from the chapter, related from the book codes that I will give you in on our Hartford International School website. So this is all homework I want. Please complete it at a time. So thank you and enjoy the weather. It's the cool weather, and thank you and have a nice day, and please stay at home.